Hello everyone, I am Anjali and welcome to my channel. In this video we will stitch the blouse. So this is the back part of our blouse. So first I'll give a dart. So if you remember, I have given this line, 5 inch of line at the back side. So we have to take 1 inch this side and 1 inch this side, and I'll make a dart here. So this is the dart. Similarly, I'll give with this line also. Now we will give the darts for the front side. So this is the front part. This is the straight one. So I'll give 1 inch here also. And this side one I'll give just 0.2 inches, just the two lines here, just 0.2, less than half an inch, 0.2 this side and 0.2 this side, and join these points to the center of this line. And similarly I'll give the darts for these two lines also, same, half an inch or less than half an inch, just 0.2 is enough. And similarly this side also. So these are our 4 darts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and similarly I'll give the marking for the darts at the another side also. And now we will stitch these darts first. So as you can see, this is our darts, so I'll stitch this first. So what you have to do is, this is the straight line, just take this line straight and the marking of 1 inch that you have given at the side, just stitch on this till the top. Take this line straight up. You can give a double stitch also. So as you can see, it will look like this. So it's looking like this. Similarly, we will give the darts, all the four darts, and the back side also. So here you can see, this is the back dart I have given, and this is looking like this. From back side it's looking like this. So this is the back side, these 2 darts, and this is the front side. These are the 4 darts, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. So it's looking like this. From back side it's looking like this. This is the another one. Here is the 4 darts. So like this, our darts is ready. Now we will join the shoulders. Now I'll join this shoulder to the back side and this one to this side. So let's join the shoulders. So here you can see I have joined both the shoulders. From inside it's looking like this. Just take half an inch of gap and then give a stitch to the both sides. So this way our shoulders are attached to each other. Now we will attach these pattis to the front side of our blouse. So the 1.5 inch wide patti, the strip, I'll attach this to the right side. So this is our right side of the blouse. So I'll attach this here. So what you have to do is just take it inside like this and give a stitch here. You have to attach this strip from the inside of the blouse like this, and this 2 inch wide patti strip, I'll attach this to this left side, and this patti I'll attach on the right side of the blouse. This I'll attach on the wrong side, inside of the blouse, and this I'll attach on the right side of the blouse, and I'll give a stitch here just on the edges of the fabric. You just have to give a stitch here and then here. So when these patti will attach, then we will fold it inside and this patti will come outside. I'll tell you how to do that. First we will attach this and then we will attach the sleeves to our blouse. For sleeves, first of all you have to hem your bottom just 1.5 inch like this, and then you have to attach this part to the sleeves part of your blouse here. So first give a hem down and then attach this here. So let's attach these sleeves and strips. So here I have attached both the strips to the side, front side of the blouse. So this is the left one, this is the 2 inch wide strip. So it is like looking like this. Now we will fold this strip inside like this, completely inside with the stitch like this. So what you have to do is just take a double fold, one, and second one will come exactly on the stitch like this. So your strip will look like this from inside, and from back side it will look like this. So I'll pin this and then I'll stitch it later on. And this is the right one. This is the 1.5 inch wide fabric strip. So I have attached it like this. You can see I have given just a little stitch on the edges of the fabric, and from the back side it's looking like this. So I have attached it like this. Now I'll take it out like this, and now I'll just give a small one fold, and then I'll take this to on the stitch like this, You have to be careful that your this stitch is not visible. You just have to give a double fold and stitch it on the stitch so that your stitch is not visible. Now later on I'll attach buttons here, and I'll give stitches for the buttons, and then this button will come on this putty, so it will look like this. So now attach the sleeves. So now here you can see I have attached the shoulders and the sleeves to the blouse, this side and this side. Both the sides are joint, and our front side of the blouse is looking like this. This is the left side, and I have given a stitch here. If you want, you can give a hemming here because hemming looks more clear and clean, but I have given the machine stitch. And from the right side it's looking like this. So our front side is ready and our sleeves are ready. Now we will make a neckline. For neckline we have to cut a bias strip, and then we have to attach that strip to the blouse. So for that, what you have to do is take a piece of fabric and cut it in 1 inch wide, and don't cut it straight. This is the straight fabric, and it is not getting stretched, so cut it from this side. So make a 1 inch wide lines like this. So you just have to cut 1 inch wide fabric and cut these strips, and then we have to join all these strips to a one single piece, and you will get a long strip, bias strip. Then we have to join this strip on the neckline. So these are the strips, and it's getting stretched like this, so it is very important that it gets stretched. And then now we will join these, we will stitch these strips like this, and then we will get a long strip for the neckline. So here you can see I have joined all the strips here, and this way we have got this long strip, long bias strip, and this is the wrong side and this is the right side of the strip. So the right side of your strip and the right side of your blouse facing each other, we will stitch this. So this is the right side. I'm taking the one corner of my blouse, the front side. I'm starting from the right side, so just take little bit of fabric extra here, and then start stitching it just on the edges of the blouse like this. And now just stretch this strip little bit, don't stretch it too much, and make it very sure that you are taking just 0.2 inches of the gap. Don't take much, and stretch little bit, and do it very clearly and very cleanly. Just stretch little bit, don't stretch the blouse part, just stretch the strip, stretch it little bit, and then stitch on the edges of the strip and blouse. Take it all over the neckline. Here we came to the shoulders, stretch it. Now we are doing the back side. So like this way we have came to the another end of the blouse, the left side. We have started from the right side, and now we have came to the left side. So here we came to the end. Keep stretching your strip. So this way our strip is attached to the blouse like this, you can see. Now we will fold this and make a piping, or you can completely fold it inside like this. Like you can take it completely inside and give a double fold and do a hemming. Don't give a machine stitch, otherwise it will look awkward. So just give a hemming, and you can take it completely inside also like this, or you can make a piping also, like giving a small 2 stitches double fold and then giving like this. So this way you will get the piping of the neckline all over the neck. Now our neckline is complete. I have completed the neckline. Now we will give the fittings from the sides. So for that, take your measurement of round arm. So whatever the round arm measurement is yours, so take half of it. Like mine is 12, so the half of 12 is 6. So I'll mark 6.5 here because I want my blouse with little bit of loose fittings. But if you want it really tight, you can take exact half also. So it's your choice. I'm taking half an inch extra, so 6.5. This will be our sleeves measurement. For the chest, take the half of your chest measurement. My chest is 37, so half of 37 is 18.5, and half of 18.5 is 9.2. 9.2. So I'll mark 9.2 here. If you want, you can take half an inch extra for the ease allowance, or you can take exact fitting also. So what you have to do is just take half an inch extra and mark it from the this side, from the front side, 9.2, and I'm taking half an inch extra, and it's coming here. You have to mark this point on this line, the sleeves, on the sleeves line. So just mark here. This will be your second point. For the waist measurement, again you have to take the half of your waist measurement. So my waist is 32, so half of 32 is 16, and half of 16 is 8 inches. So I'll mark 8 inches here. Again I'll take from this side 8 inches. For waist, I will say that take the exact measurement, don't add half an inch. So I'll mark 8 from this side, and I'll mark it here. So here I have marked the 3 marking. This is for sleeves, and this is for chest, and this is for waist. Now I'll join these 3 lines with the help of the scale, and like this, from sleeves to chest first, and then from chest to the waistline. So this way I'll get this line. Now we will stitch on this to get the sides fitting. Similarly, we have to mark the markings for this side also. Similarly, first we will mark the round arm measurement, then chest measurement, and then waist measurement, and then we will join all the 3 points, and then we will stitch this. This way our fittings will be completed. After that, after giving the side fitting, now we will fold the 1 inch side, 1 inch here at the bottom of the blouse. The 1 inch marking that we have given at the time of measurement, we have to mark that measurement and fold it 1 inch here like this all over the blouse bottom. So let's close the sides and do the bottom part. So this way our blouse is ready. I have attached these sleeves here, and then from the sides I have given the fittings from this side also, and from the bottom I have given the 1 inch of fold and given a stitch here. So this is the front side. So here at the left side we will put some hooks, buttons for the blouse, and here we will give the stitch for this hooks, so it will come here like this. This way our simple blouse is ready to wear. Thank you so much for watching my video.